welcome back. It is your favorite moto vlogger back with another video. And man, I got a great one. I'm sorry, I know it's been a minute, but as you can see, the air is freezing outside, but as always, it's hot in the garage. You see the 24 Road Glide in that pretty blue burst in the background. Got a great video for you today. Man, you know I'm on that upgrade series, getting the bike ready to rock and roll for the summer. So I got another great upgrade today, but I got a quick update, guys. And let me turn the camera right there so you can see. You know, we are naming the bike back here. So we got the Name the Bike contest going, and the winner of it is gonna grab, and let me show you what you're gonna get. You're gonna get this sweet 330 Muscle Lab t-shirt. Let me jump up so you guys can see the logo in that pretty white. That's gonna be for first place right there. Then we're gonna shoot to the runner up, and you are gonna win also the 330, but you're gonna get the t-shirt. Gonna be super dope. So don't forget, you gotta get your names in for the Name a Bike contest. Man, I'm telling you, I think that this upgrade that we're gonna install is gonna make the bike look fire. But I'm super interested to know what you guys think out there. I'm trying to get this girl ready for the summer and get her ready to rock and roll. So let me show you guys what we're gonna do. Yes, sir. So let's jump right into the video. Now, you guys know I love the 2024 Road Glide. And as you see right there, they redid the whole front end. They included the blinkers and put everything all compact together into one unit. I think it looks super good. Now, this is my thing, guys. I am always about making the bike look super aggressive and super mean, kind of always going for that performance bagger look. So I was wondering, what could I do to this front end to like make it look super aggressive and mean and really make it rock out, man? What could I do? So today I've got an upgrade that I want to show you guys how to install, and I really want to know your opinion on it. I think it is going to be one of those upgrades that you're either going to love or you're going to hate. All right, so let's talk about the install real quick. And this is gonna be super easy and like a pro, as I always show you out there. First off, we're gonna use the 70% alcohol, and we're gonna use cotton swab to clean the area, so make sure everything adheres properly. Now, guys, how we're gonna attach this is with these double-sided Velcro clips that clip on each side and attach and form like a suction cup for this thing. And then we're gonna take a soft cloth, and I'm gonna make sure I wipe everything off before we attach it, because anything will show underneath there. Now, let me jump up, and I hear you guys out there, I hear you in the TV land screaming, man, what are you gonna do if you get at night and you can't see, man? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Well, what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna just take these Velcro clips which attach here, and I'm gonna just pull this thing off, and I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna stick it in the saddlebag, and I'm gonna be on my merry way. And then when the daylight comes, or I can put that back on and I feel comfortable, I'm gonna reattach it back. So that should kill two birds with one stone. Let's get this install done. All right, man, and yes, sir, let me get up on it. Now, I've applied that alcohol to this, got the swab right here, and I'm gonna get all up on there so you guys can see it. And I'm just gonna wipe that entire headlight, so that especially I'm gonna pay attention to the sides, because a lot of the time, guys, when you are installing something, those sides and the bottom right here are usually hard to attach. So I'm gonna take my time and really take that alcohol, rub around, and let that set in so we can get a great install. Now I'm just gonna wipe this off here, and I'm gonna clean that off with my cloth. I just wanna get that headlight nice and clean, so everything will be ready to rock and roll. Let's finish this install, baby. Let's go. All right, it is time to reveal the upgrade, and I absolutely love it. I want to know what you think about it, but you gave it a nice look. with a front mean grill of that, especially with the black windshield. Love the way that looks. Now, one thing I don't like about this, fellas, and you can see there's a little bit of a gap here and there, and then let's swing on the other side and get real close up in there. You can see that gap's right there and there, so that is the proper fitment for this. It just doesn't fit all the way flush, but nonetheless, I think it looks really, really good. I can't wait to start it up. And like I said, man, if it is too dark, we can actually rip this right off and just reattach when we need to. So it is overall, it is a great, great upgrade. Let me pull back. Let me know what you think, but I think that looks super, super mean. Let's start the bike up, see how it looks. Sir, man, we're gonna start this up and check out what it looks like. But if you are new to the channel, let me show you some of the upgrades that we did to the bike. Of course, you see the blue screws right there on the windshield cover. Then we're gonna come over to the hand guards right here, and you also see the blue screws there. Then we've got the Empire mirrors on there, absolutely loving that. Then we went with the front crashed out bar, love that. And then swing back to the rear with the matching blue as well. Then we're gonna swing down, you guys see the Phantom floorboards and heel toe shifter on the other side and the brake pedal here. Swing back to the back. We have got the saddlebag lights back there. We upgraded the license plate to give it that 3D effect. Of course, we got the slip-ons on there, looking really, really cool, man. So many more upgrades coming to the bike, but let me know what you guys think. Let's get a quick cold start. Yes, sir, let's get a start to this bike. You know, I always like to show you guys that beautiful screen right there. Let's go ahead and let it pulsate a couple seconds, and then let's hit the start button. All right, so you guys ready out there, man? We're gonna check out the upgrade right there, and you see that pretty blue burst. Let's check it out, man, and I think that is absolutely smashing them right there. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but that is mean, man. I'm loving the way that looks with the blacked out windshield on there, and it just gives it that mean, aggressive look. We'll pull back so you guys can see. Let me know what you think again in the comments below. But if you haven't got your name in for the bike, don't forget to get it in, man. We're gonna pick it. You guys are gonna win some cool prizes, but I think it hit the spot with this upgrade. Man, I hope you guys are getting your bikes ready out there for the summer. I'm still banging this baby out, getting it ready. So until then, guys, you know what I'm about to say. Until next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace. Man, that girl is banging out there. Oh my God. Absolutely loving this bike right now.